Have you ever wondered about the importance of prayer in Islam? How each step of the prayer process carries profound significance? Today, we delve into the intricacies of this spiritual practice. Prayer, or salah, is one of the 5 pillars of Islam, and its importance cannot be overstated. It is a direct link between the worshipper and God. But what does the process entail? We begin with Niyat, the intention. This is not a verbal declaration, but a commitment from the heart to perform a specific prayer. It sets the tone for the rest of the process, reminding us of the sacred purpose of our actions. Next, we have the Takbeer-e-Tahreemah. This is the moment we say, Allahu Akbar, meaning God is the greatest. It signifies the start of the prayer and our submission to the Almighty. Then comes Qiyaam, standing upright. This position embodies respect and attentiveness as we prepare to engage in conversation with our Creator. The following step is Qiraat, the recitation of verses from the Qur'an. This is a moment of reflection where we immerse ourselves in the divine wisdom of God's words. Then we move into Rukoo, a bowing position. This act signifies humility and submission, acknowledging the greatness of God. After standing upright again, we transition into Sujood, prostration. Here, we place our foreheads on the ground, demonstrating the utmost humility before God. Following this, we sit in Qa'dah, reciting the tashahhud and making supplications. This is a moment of stillness and contemplation as we reaffirm our faith and seek God's blessings. The tashahhud is a declaration of faith recited in the sitting position. It is a reaffirmation of the core beliefs of Islam, expressing our unwavering commitment to monotheism. Finally, we conclude the prayer with salam, a greeting of peace, turning our faces gently to the right and left. This act signifies the completion of the prayer and our return to worldly affairs, carrying with us the tranquility and spiritual nourishment gained from the prayer. In summary, the prayer process in Islam is a meticulous journey of faith, humility, and reflection. From the initial intention to the final greeting of peace, each step serves to deepen our connection with the divine, imbuing our daily lives with a profound sense of purpose and tranquility. It is not merely a ritual, but an ongoing conversation with God, a spiritual anchor in the hustle and bustle of daily life.